Foamposite has come a long way from being slapped on ACG boots and anodized Jordan 1s. What's going on, everyone? My name is John, you're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Force One Foamposite Cup in the Gym Red colorway. Now the Air Force One Foamposite Cup is essentially an Air Force One with details similar to the Foamposite Pro, and a couple of colorways from the Foamposite and Foamposite Pro line have been adapted for the Foamposite Pro Cup, such as the Rust Pink colorway, the All White colorway, and now this colorway, which is based on the 2002 Foamposite Pro in the Metallic Red colorway. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the black on black Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is Gym Red and black. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a Foamposite upper with a plastic swoosh and suede detailing similar to how a regular Foamposite would be. Taking a look at the toe, you have the Gym Red toe with the perforations, and this is all Foamposite material. On the toe, they're not actually perforations. Instead, they're little indentations because this is all Foamposite material. You have a black mesh tongue with the suede overlays taken straight from the Foamposite, and you also have the black tongue tag with the red Nike swoosh on it. The insole is black with the red Nike swoosh in the middle. Moving towards the heel, you've got the Gym Red Foamposite material, as well as the black plastic Nike swoosh simulating a Foamposite Pro. On the heel, you've got the Foamposite material stretching from the lateral to the medial, as well as the black suede back tab with the red Nike swoosh, again taken straight from the Foamposite Pro. On the medial, instead of having another plastic swoosh like the lateral does, you have an embossed Nike swoosh, similar to how the Foamposite Pro would, where the Foamposite Pro just has the Foamposite material straight through, but that's not how the Air Force One goes, so it had to have a little swoosh there. So they put the embossed swoosh instead, and this is Gym Red. The midsole is a black midsole, and this is a rubber midsole, and you have the black rubber outsole as well. I've never been a fan of Foamposite being placed on other shoes unless it was initially a Foamposite shoe, like the Foamposite Pro, the Half Cent, or even the Tim Duncan Foamposite Max. However, I'm drawn to this shoe, and this is a much better rendition of Foamposite on a shoe as opposed to the Jordan 1 Foamposite, which was just a travesty. Like, that was atrocious. This color, the Jordan 1 isn't so different from the Air Force One, but for some reason I like this shoe a whole lot better. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. One Foamposite Pro Cup in the Gym Red colorway hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on June 8th for a retail price of $180. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.